Hey guys, thanks for joining. I'm going to show you guys today how I run my fridge water line through my kayak, specifically from under the seat here to the back without being able to reach in there. So I don't want to drill any access holes or anything. So I figured out a little trick that works pretty good. So the reason I'm putting this in is to run my stainless cable through for my foot pedal steering for the trolling motor. And I messed around with this for a long time. Couldn't get this in here, out over there. I could get it in, couldn't get it out. So I came up with this. I got a thin line of monofilament fishing line with a small screw on there, just small enough to fit through the hole. Trusty old speaker magnet. So if I stick the screw in, you can hear it drop. There, it hits the bottom of the kayak. As soon as I grab the magnet underneath, you'll see the line move. So I can pull the screw up the side of the kayak, feed the line in as I go. Now this is the hard part, getting it up around the corner here. Sounds like I have success. Once I get it to a certain point here, you need to get some pliers. Or tweezers. I prefer tweezers since the hole is so small. Give it just a touch of tension here. Okay, I see the line, it's in too deep. Just grab a piece of wire. In this case, this is Fox cord welding wire that I have left over. It's not the greatest for bending, but it'll do. And just like that. Now I can drill a small hole through the line, tie it on, pull it through. Yeah, so the trick here is to run your line inside the pipe and then out the end, out of the hole you drilled. That way you're pulling on more of the center of the pipe and you get to the end, which makes it much easier. You do have to watch out how much you tighten this because it will just cut right through your fridge line. Alright, I'm just going to cut off the excess here. There we go. Take your time, because you will just rip through. I like to keep tension on it as I push it in. I found that if I don't do that, it'll end up going around obstacles inside of the kayak and just cause issues later for the steering cable. This way, it's going to go right where that string and the magnet pulled it on the outside here. Alright, and at the end here, it through. Just like that. Now after I'm through, I will cut the line, heat it, press it a bit to make a flange, then I'll pull it in. And on this end here, I won't, because I'm going to be running the line closer to my foot pedals, just attaching to the side here. Yeah, so this trick is going to work for anything. Wire, you need to run an electrical cable, maybe you want to mount a transducer on the back, anything like that, you can run it through here. Use a nice thin line, small screw, magnet, more powerful the magnet the better. Pull the string or the fishing line to where you want it, and you're good to go. So thanks for watching, hope that helps.